Example 29. The sum of the three numbers is 6. If we multiply third number by 3 and add second number to it, we get 11. By adding first and third numbers, we get double of the second number. Represent in algebraically and find the numbers using matrix method. Let first number be x, second number be y, and third number be z. According to question, the sum of three numbers x plus y plus z is equal to 6. It's equation number first. And if we multiply third number by 3 and add second number to it, we get 11. Second number is y and b multiply third number is z, 3z, and add second number, we get 11. That is 0 into x plus y plus 3z equal to 0. It's equation number second. And by adding first and third numbers, we get double of second. By adding first and third number, x plus third number is z, we get double of second is equal to 2y. Then this equation, this implies 2y shifting left side, that will be minus 2y, and x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. In matrix form, A is equal to coefficient of x is 1, y is 1, z is 1, and coefficient of x is 0, y is 1, z is 3, and coefficient of x is 1, minus 2 and 1, it's A, and b is equal to 6, 11 and 0, that will be 0. So value of b is 6, 11 and 0. First of all, we find the determinant of A, that is 1, 1. 1 minus 2, 3, 1. And second time that will be minus 1. And first row second column neglect 0, 1, 3, 1. And third plus 1, first row third column neglect 0, 1, 1 minus 2. Then determinant of A is equal to 1, 1 1 jar 1, plus 3 2 jar 6, minus 1, and 1 0 jar 0, minus 3, plus 1, 2 0 jar 0, minus 1. Determinant of A is equal to 1 into 7, minus 1 into minus 3, plus 1 into minus 1. This implies determinant of A is equal to 7 plus 3 minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by 1, that is minus 1. 7 plus 3 is 10, and determinant of A is equal to 10 minus 1 is 9. So determinant of A not equal to 0, A inverse exists. And we find the cofactor of matrix 1, C11, C12 and C13. C11 is 7, C12 is positive 3, because 1 plus 2 is 3, multiply by negative sign, that will be positive 3, and C13 is minus 1. That is 7, positive 3, minus 1. And we find C21, 1 1 jar 1 plus 2, 3. C21, C22, C23. C21 means 2 1 1 1 jar 1 plus 2, 3. That will be negative 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3 multiplied by negative sign, that will be minus 3. And C22, 1 1 jar 1 minus 1, 0, that will be 0. And C23, 2 1 jar minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, that will be positive 3, because 2 plus 3 is 5, minus 3 multiplied by minus, that is positive 3. C31, C31, C32, C33. C31 means 3 1, 3 1 are 3 minus 1, 2. And C32, 3 1 are 3 minus 0, that is 3. And 3 plus 2 is 5, that will be negative 3. And C33, 1 1 are 1 minus 0, that is positive 1. And adjoint A is equal to 7 minus 3 2, 3 0 minus 3 minus 1 3 1. A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant of A. This implies A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A. We get positive 9. And adjoint A we get 7 minus 3 2, 3 0 minus 3 and minus 1 3 1. Ax is equal to B. This implies x is equal to A inverse B, and x is xyz. So xyz, we get the value of xyz equal to 1 upon A inverse is 1 upon determinant A is 9, and that will be 7 minus 3 2, 3 0 minus 3 minus 1 3 and 1. It's adjoint of A. And value of B, we have 6 11 and 0, 6 11 and 0, and we are multiplying this row by this column and we get the value of x. So x y z is equal to 1 upon 9, and 7 6 are 42 minus 33, 11 3s are 33 and 2 zeros are 0. 3 6 are 18, 0 multiplied by 11, that will be 0. 3 multiplied by 0, that will be also 0. And minus 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to minus 6. 11 3s are 33. 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. This implies x, y, z is equal to 1 upon 9 into 42 minus 33, that is positive 9. 18, that is 18. 33 minus 6, that is equal to 27. So x is equal to 9 upon 9, that is 1, and y is equal to 18 upon 9, that is 2, and z is equal to 27 upon 9, that is 3. So we get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. Answer. The first number be x, second number be y, and third number be z. According to statement, according to question, the sum of three numbers is equal to 6. So first equation, according to question, first equation will be x plus y plus z is equal to 6. And if we multiply third number by 3 and add second number to it, we get 11. We multiply 3 by third number by 3 into z, and adding second number is y, then we get is equal to 11. 0 into x, that is equal to 0. 3 multiplied by third number and adding second number y, we get 11. Its equation number second, that is 0x plus y plus 3z equal to 11. And third statement, by adding first and third numbers to, we get double of the second number. First and third, x plus z is equal to 2 times of second number is y, 2y. So this equation will become x shifting to y left side minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. And in matrix form, A will be first 1, 1, 1, and second 0, 1, 3, and third 1, minus 2, 1. It's matrix A, and B is equal to 6, 11, and 0. It's B. And A, determinant of A will be 1 is taking common, first column 1, 3, minus 2, 1 in bracket, and second time that will be minus 1, first row second column neglect, and in bracket 0, 3, 1, 1, and third plus 1 is common, and first row third column neglect, but 0, 1, 1, minus 2 in bracket. And we are multiplying 1 1s are 1 plus 3 2s are 6, 1 0s are 0, and 1 3s are 3 minus 3 plus 1, 2 zeros are 0, and 1 1s are 1, that is minus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 7, and 3 minus that will be positive 3 and minus 1. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. We get determinant of A is equal to 9. A inverse exists. And we find the cofactor of C11, C12, C13. C11 is 7, C12 is positive 3, 1 plus 2 is 3. So multiplying minus, that will be positive 3, and C13 is minus 1. Similarly, C21, 2, 1. 1 1s are 1 plus 2, that will be 3, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 3. And C22, 1 1s are 1 minus 1 is 0. C22 is 0. And C23, 2, 3, minus 2 1s are minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. And 2 plus 3 is 5. So B multiply minus 3 by minus sign, that will be positive 3. And C31, 3 1s are 3 minus 1 is 2, and C31 is equal to positive 2. C32, 3 1s are 3 minus 0, that is 3. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, that will be negative 3. And C33, 3 3, 1 1s are 1 minus 0 is 1. So C33 we get 1. And in adjoint of A, that will be 7 minus 3 2, 3 0 minus 3, minus 1 3 and 1. and A inverse is adjoint A upon determinant of A. We get determinant of A is equal to 9, and A inverse can be write 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Ax equal to B, this implies x equal to A inverse B, and x is x, y, z, and B is given 6, 11 and 0. So we get x, y, z is equal to 1 upon 9 times of adjoint of A into B, and x, y, z is equal to 1 upon 9. 7 6 are 42, 11 3s are 33 minus, and second 3 6 are 18, plus 0 minus 6 1s are 6, 6 into minus 1, that will be minus 6, 11 3s are 33 plus 0. 42 minus 33, we get 9, and we get the value of x is 9 divided by 9, and we get the value of y is 18 divided by 9, that is 2, and we get the value of z, that is 27 upon 9, that will be positive 3. So we get the value of x is 1, y is 2, and z is 3. Answer. Thank you so much.